Hi, I'm Shania and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to make a Greek dip. Let's look at the ingredients. A third cup feta cheese, a third cup Parmesan cheese, 1 package cream cheese and 1 tablespoon chopped sun-dried tomato. Let's start to make this dip. We start with the cream cheese. We work a little bit with cream cheese. Now we add the Parmesan cheese and the feta cheese. Okay, let's go combine all these three cheese on it. Okay, now we add the sun-dried tomato. Okay. Now we grab a plate with a few crackers or pita chips or whatever you prefer. Okay. Now we put on a little bit parsley. And your Greek dip is ready. And don't forget to thumbs up my video and subscribe to my channel for more great recipes. Bye bye!